Welcome back to day 25 of tapping every single day. My name is Dalton, and EFT is basically saved my life. It's something I do every single day, and it saved me from being essentially a couch-ridden zombie, just sleepwalking through my entire life. So I want to kind of pass that on. Today, the script we're going to be working on is something that I definitely needed during my own healing journey, and I've given it to other family members that need it as well. And it's kind of I wouldn't say a rude awakening, but it is something that needs to be brought up from time to time on the healing journey, and that is addressing this misconception that healing has to be a linear thing. It doesn't mean the option or that it can't be a linear thing and it can't be exponential, because both of those things, opportunities exist. Both of those realities exist. It's just sometimes on the healing journey we can become a little disheartened when it feels like maybe we take a step or two back, or even just plateau, where in our heads we think this should be going faster than it should be, but this script today is kind of it's making peace with the pace of our healing, and it definitely applies to this program in general, because this is a 365 day, 1 year program of tapping every single day. And this program is built in blocks so that we start with this very foundational stuff of clearing out our energy, getting these limiting beliefs identified and witnessed and taken care of. And then once we build that foundation, in the later blocks we can start adding on the things like manifesting money and abundance and physical healing and that kind of a thing. And then at the end of 365 days, you're going to look back and be just wowed at the progress you've made, and then you can choose to restart it again. And the cool thing with this program, or with any EFT script you use, is that every time you start it, the things that you're working on have changed. They've mutated, and they've grown with your own progress. So you can do the same script over and over again. There's no end point to the healing. It's just a constant progress towards whatever you think or define as success. So we'll get started today, and as always, only tap on things that feel true and safe and right for you. Otherwise, just ignore it, skip it, or say a previous affirmation. But we'll start like always on the side of the hand, and just repeat after me. Even though I feel tired of trying to heal, I deeply honor, love, and accept myself. Even though this journey feels long and too slow, I deeply honor, love, and accept myself. Even though part of me wonders if I'm making any progress at all, I deeply honor, love, and accept myself. Take a deep breath in and release it. And we'll start on round 2 of actually tapping through the points. Just repeat after me. I'm tired of the process. Healing feels like a full-time job. I keep peeling back layers, and more layers keep coming up. Sometimes I wonder if I'll ever feel done. It feels like I should be further along by now. I compare myself to others and feel like I'm behind. I'm holding so much and I feel worn out. And I'm now choosing to release the belief that healing has to be fast in order to be real. It's okay to be tired. I've come a long way. I offer my body deep compassion for what it's carried. I release the pressure to arrive anywhere. I'm allowed to rest and still be healing. Each breath nourishes me right here as I am. There's no finish line, only presence. My body and heart are doing their best. And that is more than enough. Healing isn't linear, and that's okay. I can grow slowly and still be growing deeply. Rest and stillness and even plateaus are all a part of healing. Every small moment of awareness is progress. I am honoring myself by not rushing. There is a wisdom in the pace of my process. My healing path is unique and sacred to me. It's safe to heal in the way that works for me and my body. I am becoming whole, not by force, but by presence. Each moment I show up is a moment of healing. There is nothing wrong with where I am. I walk this path with strength, grace, and trust. Even my fatigue is worthy of compassion. I listen to what my soul needs, not what the world expects. I heal in harmony with my body and spirit. I honor the slow, sacred rhythm of transformation. I feel at peace with where I am on this journey. My healing is unfolding in perfect timing. I am whole now, even as I continue to grow. I move with kindness, not pressure. Every breath nourishes my body and soul. I feel grounded, clear, and deeply supported. I am not behind, I am in process and in progress. This is who I am now. I welcome this new reality with gratitude, grace, and excitement. Take a deep breath in and release it. We'll do some self-havening for final affirmation. So just repeat after me. I am healing. I am whole. I'm allowed to rest and trust my pace. I am healing. I am whole. I'm allowed to rest and trust my pace. I am healing. I am whole. I am allowed to rest and trust my pace. So yeah, I hope you feel a little bit better, a little bit lighter. I know that this is definitely a point of contention for anyone on really any journey of any kind, of trying to, or being frustrated when these things don't happen on the time schedule that you have in your head. You just have to know that they're happening exactly the correct way that they're supposed to, even though that can be incredibly frustrating. But you can rest assured that tapping like this, either on this particular script or any of these other ones, can really support you and whatever else you're doing in your healing journey. It's, like I said, it's free, it's drug-free, it's painless, there are no side effects, and it's not going to have any contradictions with any other treatments that are going on. So it's a great thing to do. It's my favorite type of thing to do, which is very low downside and very high upside. I hope you enjoy tapping along today, and if you want notifications or reminders that these videos are coming out, I'm actually putting, as I make the videos, I'm putting them into an email flow, and you can sign up for that in the description. It's completely free. You just enter your email name, normal stuff, and then every day you'll be sent an email, so you don't have to keep remembering to come back to YouTube. So thanks for tapping with me today, and I will see you tomorrow.